everyone! Magandang umaga, good morning! Oras na naman para sa ating Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. Let's start with the word left-handed. Kaliwete. 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 Start and end. Start, simula. 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 End, wakas. Wakas. Let's say who's with you and who are you talking to? Who's with you? Sinong kasama mo? Sinong kasama mo? Sinong kasama mo? Who are you talking to? Sinong kausap mo? Sinong kausap mo? Sinong kausap mo? Map, mapa, mapa, mapa. Planet, planeta, planeta, planeta. Shallow, mababaw, 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 mababaw. Frog, palaka, 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 palaka. Limited, limitado, 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 limitado. Wise, wais, or mautak. Wais, wais, or mautak. Mautak, mautak. Original, orihinal, 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 orihinal. Last one for our pronunciation video. Let's say kwan. Kwan. Kwan is used to replace a name for an item that has been forgotten for that very moment. So if you're looking for an item and for some reason you can't remember the name, so you go and say, I'm looking for my kwan. I just put it here. Now it's not here. You can also use kwan as your secret code if you're talking with someone or you're having a conversation with someone and there's people around you and you don't want those people to know what the conversation is about or what the topic is. Example, it's your brother's birthday and you and your mom talk about getting your brother a birthday gift. So, later that day, you remembered asking your mom if she got the birthday gift. But then, your brother is around and he can hear the conversation, so you can't go and ask, Mom, did you buy the gift? So instead, you can go and ask your mom, Mom, did you buy the kwan? The kwan? And more likely, your mom knows what the topic is. That's it for tonight for our Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. Good night!